Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. So this is a short video on 11 September 2021 real exam reading passages. There are 2 reading passages and other passages are still not out, so I'll upload them later. But the answers for all the 6 passages from morning and evening answers have been uploaded. So you can check. The PDF link is given in the description box. So in the morning slot, the passage was, can we hold back the flood? And this is the passage. Okay, can we hold back the flood? That was the passage. And the question types were true, false, not given, matching information. As you can see, 1 to 6 was matching information, 7 to 11 were summary completion task, and next was choose MCQ, choose the correct option. And these are the answers for that. Can we hold back the flood? The reading passage in the morning slot, I think it was passage 2 in the morning slot of academic students. So these were the answers for the academic students. Passage 2, that was related to can we hold back the flood? Passage 3 was called the climate changers. The name of the passage was climate changes, and these were the passages. You can pause the video and read and do, or you can get the PDF in the link given in the description box of our net and also Telegram. Okay, so you can get it on website or on our Telegram. So questions 1 to 3 were MCQ, choose the correct options. That is, you have to choose which one is correct according to the question. The explanations has also been given. I have uploaded the explanation how we get the answers. So 3 questions were MCQ. Next 4 to 8 questions were fill-ups, that is summary completions. That was 4 to 8. Again, the answers have been explained that which part of the passage you can get. And the last one was true, false, not given again. The questions 9 to 14, that is your passage 3. So of course, 32 to 40, something like that would have been true, false, not given. So the true, false, not given, the first answer was false. Then the second answer was not given. Then the third answer was true. Fourth answer was false. Next was not given, and next was true. So overall, the academic reading in the morning slot was moderate. For the evening slot, we were not able to get hold of the 3 passages, but the first passage was called lichens. As soon as I get the questions, I will upload it in my Telegram channel. So do subscribe Telegram and YouTube. So the evening passage 1 was called lichens, and the answers were not given, true, not given, true, false. And then it was sentence completion, decorations, oil, acid, indication, pollution, wind, soil, and erosion. Passage 2 was called children's behavior in classroom. Children's behavior in classroom, and these were the matching information type of questions. The answers were ICED, ACEAD, and then there were fill-ups, positive, harmful, praise, combination. The passage 3 was called learning to walk. Passage 3 was called learning to walk. There are only few answers that the student can remember. So these are only few answers and they are not in order. So these were some of the answers. Souls, 45,000, road construction, BDAD, and then true, false, not given, true, false. So these was the complete 6 passages of morning and evening academic slot. You can just check your answers with the PDF provided, and also you can check the level. The morning slot was moderate, the evening slot was moderate, and especially passage 3 were quite difficult in both the morning and evening slot. Listening answers, I am not uploading because there are many mistakes in the listening answers and we also do not know the headings of them. So it's not of much use to relate to the listening. So as soon as we get the exact question paper later on, we'll be uploading it as test on our practice channel. So hope you will check and do these passages for your practice. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.